How to get Telegram account without phone number. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you through the steps on how you can get the Telegram account without a phone number, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to get the Telegram account without a phone number, it's actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Telegram application here. So when you launch the Telegram app and then you tap the start messaging option, you can see the very first thing it asks you to is to simply enter your phone number and not your email address. So bottom line is Telegram will 100% require you to have a phone number. Even if you have an email address, that's not going to work, because Telegram is a number to number basis application. Now one thing that you can do is, even if you are underage and maybe you don't have a real phone number, you can always use it using a virtual phone number. So there are plenty of virtual websites available out there that are going to provide you free virtual phone numbers, by the way, where you can also get and verify with the code, which I'm not going to mention in this video, but if you are interested you can simply search them up in Google. Other than that, I see no other way around. So hope this video helped you as to how you can get Telegram account without a phone number. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.